Imagine a world without fruits, vegetables, and flowers. It's hard to picture. Yet this could be our reality if it weren't for bees. These tiny heroes are responsible for pollinating about one-third of the world's crops. Every time you bite into an apple or savor a strawberry, think of the industrious bee that made it possible. Beyond just food, they play a vital role in maintaining biodiversity by helping plants reproduce. Unfortunately, bees are facing severe threats from habitat loss and pesticides. But there's hope. You can help protect them by planting bee-friendly gardens or supporting local farms that prioritize sustainable practices. Want to learn more about these fascinating creatures? Subscribe now for insights on how we can all contribute to saving our buzzing friends.